Take a ride in the 2014 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.